Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So going to do a recap today of our Forex and future plays that we took on the Spy Guys account. So in total we had a total gain of 58,988 pips called out publicly for free on our Twitter page. The Twitter handle is SpyGuys10x. We're going to be calling out plays for free for the rest of the month, posted publicly. Don't miss out. Great opportunity to learn and hopefully maybe take some of the plays that we post. So going to recap from the start of the day, right? Started off close to about midnight Pacific time, maybe even like 1 to 2 to 3 a.m. and then just played up until I believe about 11 a.m. So spent some time on it. Took a couple plays. So first play is going to be the Euro dollar and the New Zealand dollar. So we took a 284 pip win. We had RSI was overbought. We had MACD went from gold to white. So top of our little roller coaster, boom, drop. And then our entry was on the break of our previous candle low, right? So that was 1.73071. Went all the way down for 284 pips that we called out. I think it went for even more. But at that point was just chasing with the stop loss pretty tight just because we were securing gains, right? You can never take a loss on a play that works this well for you, right? So that was first play, Euro NZD. Second play, we were looking at USD CHF, okay? So RSI was overbought. We had MACD was gold switching to white. Red line was going to be the line of entry, looking to come down to that 0.5 fib. Then we came back up. Now we had the 30-minute strat loaded up, right? So we had the red line at 99878. Alert was set at the doji. It's kind of a fat doji. RSI is overbought. MACD is ready for reversal. Everything's looking good. And then here was the 5 confirmations that I had to this play. So kind of like my chart that I look at basically for when I'm looking to get into a play. We had a supply zone, 1 confirmation. We had a double top, that's 2. The breaker candle would be 3, that signifies the entry. RSI overbought is 4, and then the MACD prime for reversal is 5. So that's 5 confirmations right there, right? Double top right here is on the chart pattern. Double top in the supply zone, right? Heavy resistance to get through it. The breaker candle breaking below previous candle low. RSI over that 70 line. It means it's overbought, and then MACD, bunch of gold, ready for reversal. So that is the chart. Then we were up at this point, 118 pips at this point. Stop losses are all in the positive. Nobody's taking a loss. It's a great play. Went for 200 pips. I think I got stopped out just a little bit over 200 pips. I know that I went for over 300 pips because my alert went off when it crossed the 300 pip line. I was just going to do alerts, like updates every 100 pips that it moves, but it was already out, so I wasn't even looking at it. At that point, I was then looking to take plays on NDQ, I believe is the NDQ 100 is the futures that we can play on MetaTrader. So MetaTrader 5 is what we're trading off of, and SPX 500 is the futures for SPY. So we were looking to take NDX and SPY plays, right? So NASDAQ and S&P 500, we were looking to play puts. Report came out today, but we don't even play news. Purely did everything based off of technicals, and it was looking to do really good. So here we are, overbought on RSI. MACD's dark gold. We have a big inverse hammer right here, kind of tweezer tops. So that's tweezer tops, inverse hammer. We're in this little supply zone right here. I didn't create the box, but we're in a supply zone. Overbought, gold lines. A breaker candle would be that 6th confirmation that we're looking for, right? And so let's see how they went. Took NDQ 100, already up 1,500 pips from that red line. We see that MACD is going from gold to white, so already starting to flip. At that point, stop losses are on the positive, right? You can't take a loss on that. So here is my chart for SPY, SPX, S&P 500. We had 6 confirmations once the play hits, right? So we were in the fib golden zone from right here. Drew the anchor from the top to the bottom. We're in the golden zone between the 0.5 and the 0.618. We had an inverse hammer candle, very bearish right here. We don't have a breaker candle yet, but on that break, it would be a breaker candle, so that would give us the 6 confirmation. We have a rising wedge chart pattern. We have RSI overbought and MACD prime for reversal, right? So 6 confirmations, looking to be a great play once we get that breaker candle for entry. On SPX, ended up taking a early entry, so not following the trading plan, just betting small, but still getting some skin in the game, because after this huge run up, I knew that we were bound to come down a bit, right? RSI is just super overbought. MACD's dark gold, just looking for a big reversal, right? Entered NASDAQ right here on this red line, early sell entry, huge potential. Then it ended up just coming back out. So stop losses were probably barely in the positive on this. Not really going to count it as a win. Just kind of a break-even play. Went down for quite a bit, just based off that doji, but not enough to really count it. But now, what we're looking at is entry is set for 360570, right? We're looking at the, what are we on? We're on the 15-minute chart right here. So once we break that 360570, that would be strategy is hit, right? RSI is overbought, MACD is dark gold, breaker candle, breaking this candle low to the downside, boom, we would be in, right? On QQQ, it would be basically right here, that 10845.18. That would be the entry based off of this chart. And then once we had the chart, entry was set, huge drop, dropped 11,400 pips, right? Just immediately tanked it, right? Called this out before, we knew it was going to happen. On NDX, so the NASDAQ, we had a huge inverse hammer, right? Super overbought. MACD was starting to flip even before the drop, right? On this first candle, right? So you could have gotten at any point on this candle, boom. That's a 41,000 pip drop, okay? And that was the plays. Called out the plays while I was at the gym. You can trade anywhere. That's the beauty of trading. Like, you don't even really need anything. All you need is really a phone. All these charts were my screenshots from my phone, right? And so you yourself, all you got to do is have that TradingView app. The link is down below in the description, and just a platform to trade on, whatever you decide. And that's how simple and easy trading really is. Just got to follow the rules. So filled the gap at this point. Then we were looking for a big pullback opportunity. Entered early at the top red line, looking for a huge opportunity for a reversal. Didn't get the huge reversal, but got a little bit. Stopped out for a small gain on re-entry. Here's what we're looking at. Looking for a doji print and then entry on break of low of candle. Setting up perfectly for a drop. Boom. Once we have the drop, this is on the 15-minute chart, right? So we have MACD gold switching to white, right? RSI is overbought. The break is at 10910.65. Boom. That is our breaker candle. So that is our entry. At this point, we're already up 4,412 pips, right? So already a good move at that point. Stop losses got to be in the positive, right? Once you're up enough, you have to not be greedy, right? Definitely take your wins. Small wins add up, even if it's 100 small wins. As long as there's small wins, it's going to equal up to at least 30 decent sized wins, right? Maybe even 15 big ones, and you're not risking losses. You're just adding money to the pocket, right? That's what you want. So was looking to take another entry on the break of the 1 hour strat. Don't think it ever got there today. So we actually did break on the 2 hour strat, but still, or this is GBP USD. So still looking at this. Alerts haven't gone off yet, so still waiting to see how this pans out for potentially tomorrow. We are super overextended. We have a bunch of dark golds on the MACD, so looking for a big reversal. RSI is extremely overbought. We're at 95, right? So ridiculously overbought. We had a doji print, the breaker candle, boom. We entered on 113012. That was the entry line once we broke this candle. Looking to be in this play overnight, potentially into tomorrow throughout the day for a big reversal. Could be a 2,000 pip reversal. So that play should be in the recap video for tomorrow based on how everything goes. If we have enough plays, I'll do a full video. If not, go look at the Twitter down below and then you'll see the individual recap on that play. And that is how we got a total pip gains of 58,988 pips in one day, right? And that was just amazing, incredible. Can't complain about it. Great day to start off. Just started off a funded challenge. Going to be putting up a video on that and where it's going after the first 2 days in the market, trading Forex and futures. But appreciate you guys staying through to the whole video. If you're still watching, please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate the support, guys, and going to be putting out a lot more educational and entertainment content based on like the stock market, Forex, futures, and basically what I do, and teaching you guys how I can do it so you guys can do it too, and just spreading the word around and just hoping everybody can become successful. So thank you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you guys later.